In addition to creating your own online tests, you can now use video tests already created by specialists at the GLOAP site. These video tests are aimed at assessing the knowledge of sailors of a certain rank for a specific type of vessel. You can find them in the My Online Tests section. At the bottom of the Your Tests tab, you can see the 2 most recent video tests that you have not yet used. To view all available video tests, click the View All button or go to the General Tests tab. To use a video test, simply click the Add to Myself button. After that, the video test will be added to your list and it will have a unique link for taking the online test. Further actions with such an online test are no different from the actions available for the tests you created. You can learn more about them in other reference videos. Let's imagine that you sent a sailor a link to take the test. So, the sailor follows the link you sent him. He logs in or registers on the site, after which he can proceed to take the test. The process of taking the test itself, as well as further actions after it, are no different from the same processes for the online tests you created. You can learn more about them in the previously posted videos.